Krickeln oder was, weiß ich nichts mehr. I don't know what's the name of these fruits, but they are sweet also. So, oh, look at that, too big. Oh, hindi ko rin. Ayun. Ganda ako open. No one has an interest to pick this up, only we, you know. We are active. We're always moving, and that's Philippines. We are jolly, a jolly folks. Wow. Oh, mataas na yung iba doon. And they are not yet dry. So, this is the Juicy Dalanon Villa. Picking up plums, fruits. They are ripe now and sweet. Para panggawa ng marmalade or just have to eat it, or a liqueur. It's also good. Naku, marami, Jo.
Hindi ka kasi marunong manguha. Sanay ito sa bailan. Manguha ng mga prutas.
Sanay din ako doon sa sa bundok. Noon, ngayon hindi na ako sanay dahil matanda na, di ba? Mga bayabas yung sa amin, lumboy, sa probinsya.
Kahit na matagal na sa Germany, sige lang, hataw, marunong ko. So, magtanim-tanim na tayo ulit for the next year.
So,
ayan.
Ang dami mong nakuha.
Oo.
So, here is Juicy Dalanon Villa picking up wraps. Pearin. Look at that. Kunti na lang.